Have you ever wondered how computers know what to do? It's not magic, it's code. Without code, computers would just sit silently, doing nothing. Before we talk about coding, let's start with something we all use every day, a computer. A computer is a smart electronic machine that helps us write, draw, listen to music, connect with others, and even control airplanes or hospitals. Computers don't understand English, Hindi, or any human language. They only understand numbers, ones and zeros, called binary. So, programmers use special languages that act as a bridge between humans and machines. The computer follows these instructions exactly as they are written to produce a result. From the apps on your phone to the websites you visit, code is everywhere. Learning to code isn't just for programmers. It's about understanding the digital world around you. It all starts with one simple step. It follows clear instructions to complete tasks, but it can't think by itself. Everything it does depends on what humans tell it. A computer has two main parts, hardware and software. Hardware is what we can touch, the screen, keyboard, mouse, and circuits inside. Software is what we can't touch, the programs, apps, and code that make the hardware work together. Coding, also called programming, is how we give instructions to a computer. It's like teaching it step by step what to do. For example, how to play a song, open a photo, or calculate numbers. These are called programming languages. There are many popular coding languages. Python, great for beginners and data science. JavaScript makes websites interactive. HTML and CSS design web pages. Java and C++ create mobile apps and software. SQL helps store and manage information. Every piece of code follows logic. You write a command, and the computer executes it. For example, a command to draw a circle tells the computer to create a round shape on the screen. Coding is how we give precise, step-by-step instructions to a computer. Imagine telling someone to make a sandwich. You could just say, make a sandwich. But for a computer, you'd have to say, Step 1, pick up bread. Step 2, open the peanut butter jar, ... Every single step must be perfectly clear. That's what coding is, but how do computers understand? At their heart, a computer is just billions of tiny switches, either on or off. We represent on with a 1 and off with a 0. This is called binary. For example, the letter A is just the sequence 010001 to a computer. Because writing in binary is far too difficult for us. We use programming languages as translators to turn our words into these long strings of ones and zeros. There are many languages, each with a purpose. Python is used by companies like Netflix for its recommendation algorithms. JavaScript makes it possible to see real-time updates in your social media feed. HTML structures a web page. Think of it as the framing of a house, while CSS is the paint and furniture that makes it look good. Java is a workhorse, powering countless Android apps, while SQL is the librarian for the internet, organizing the massive amounts of data that companies use. Let's write our first instruction in Python. Print hello world. The command print tells the computer to display whatever is in the parentheses. The text in quotes is called a string. Now let's try another. Print 10 plus 5. The computer doesn't just print the text 10 5. It understands these are numbers and performs the calculation, displaying the result, 15. You've just told the computer to do math. Languages fall into a few categories. Low-level languages like assembly give programmers direct control over the computer's hardware, crucial for things like operating systems. High-level languages, like Python, a command might be as simple as if temperature is high, turn _on _fan. It reads almost like English. Markup languages like HTML use tags to define elements. The tag H1 tells the browser to display that text as a large heading. Coding is everywhere. It's in the smart assistant that plays your favorite song, the medical software that helps doctors and the navigation app that finds the quickest route home. Learning to code is a skill that allows you to build solutions for real-world problems. It's not about being a genius. It's about logical thinking and creativity. Every app you use started as an idea and was brought to life, one line of code at a time.